Remember, if your employer does not care about you, I bring good news to you. Learn artificial intelligence, AI. Work on your smartphone. You as the human need to make use of AI. Why? To work smarter. You cannot fully depend on your employer. They do not care about you. You know, I feel sorry for kids here in South Africa that are still on school. They might think, you know what, the future is all bright and sunshine and roses. Let me tell you, most of the times you will be faced with your career path. You will look it straight in the face and you will see, you know what, but this is a dead end. I will just be employed and be miserable, confused, programmed. Limitation will fall upon me. You will be brainwashed. You will be confused out there. We all were on school, on colleges, on universities, thinking life is going to be all sunshine and roses. Right? There are bad employers out there. Bad. They do not care about the people. That is why you will hear people speaking of toxic work environments. There are numerous toxic work environments here in South Africa. I've worked at a ton. Ask me about it. I've worked at a lot. That is why I do what I do online. And I don't care, I have a no matter what attitude. You got it. So, parents, teach your kids to save, to invest, to build businesses, to make use of their smartphones. Kids these days are going to make use of AI, artificial intelligence, to build multiple businesses, to build their brand online. Teach them about it.